Welcome to our Isoko language class. Today, we are having a continuation from our Isoko consonants, clusters, stroke blends, Agbava Isoko. We will continue from there today. And I'll start by the consonants clusters, BR, br, br. Words like bro, how many, bro, how many, fru, fru. A word like fru, snatch, then gre. Egre, malice. Then you have hre. A word like igre, seven. You have we. You have owa. Owa is the laundry line where you hang your clothes. Owa. Then you have kre. Okri, he goats. You have kwa. Aqua bridge. Some people call aqua beds too. Aqua means beds too. Some people call the bed aqua too. Then you have n, double n, n. Then there's a word like anno. Anno means he said, or what did he or she? He said or she said. Then you have whr. WHR. Have igri is fat. That's igri. Then you have brr. Have ogbru. Ogbru is a big wrapper, basically used mostly used by men. A big wrapper, ogbru. Then you have enwe town. Enwe, that's the name of the town. Enwe. So people say enwe mine. As this is our area, our location. Enwe mine. So that's for the Isoko consonant clusters. Agbava Isoko. Till I see you next time, please practice them and you discover that you speak fluently. Masa Isoko mai kufie. Odzenota Manuel.